Hello everybody, it's St. Valentine's Day today and I have a really very easy to do recipe for you. Of course, not everybody loves this day, but on the other hand, why not to make someone who you like or love happy, even if you don't want to celebrate St. Valentine's Day today? Well, how to do that? We will need melted chocolate. You melt it in a pot, and then once it's melted, you will take a piece of baking paper, put it on a table or on a kitchen desk, and then you need a cookie cutter. Of course, today it would be probably the best to use a heart-shaped cookie cutter, or more cookie cutters if you have more of them. Place it on the baking paper and put some sugar icing. I have, for example, heart-shaped sugar icing or nuts, or for example dried fruit into it. Then you take the melted chocolate and pour it inside. Well, and then it is very easy. You just need to wait until it gets hard. I think it is quite good to leave it in a cold place, so somewhere in a fridge or in a really cold room. Well, and then you just remove the cookie cutter and voila, your fantastic and easy to do Valentine's present is ready. I hope you will enjoy it, and don't forget to send me photos and let me know what beautiful Valentine's gifts you made.